Hello folks, and welcome to your week number 5 overview video. Again, these may be getting redundant for you. If that's the case, don't feel like you have to watch and listen to these. These are just going over what the expectations are this week. By week 5, you are getting the hang of the discussions and posting by Wednesday and commenting on 3 different classmates. Each week you're getting a hang of the different workplace career development plan workplace documents this week. It's the same format, just a different set of skills it's looking for. So you should be getting the hang of most of these assignments and the expectation. So if you feel like you're good, you're good. This is just a refresher of what is expected. Feel free to keep on going. But for this week, we're looking at the resume skills and extras section. It will be the last section of your resume. Next week, you will fine-tune everything based on all the comments throughout the session. This week, you're putting the last couple of sections out there for us to critique and submitting those as well, okay? So your skills section, make sure you're using, again, skills that are specific to your job. You may have quite a few general skills. Those can be included. But there's some very specific skills that don't fit for a certain job. If you have management skills and you're going for a low-level job, it may not be something that is needed. And when you list those skills, it is important that you say what you are in those skills. So words like proficient, specialized are pretty important. If you list down keyboarding, computers, like that doesn't tell us much. You're proficient in keyboarding, you specialize in computers. That tells us a little bit more, paints a little bit of more of a picture. So just some tips when you're posting those items in your discussion. Again, by Wednesday, midweek there, so we can all make comments on them. Your extra section, that's everything you can't fit somewhere else, basically. So it gives you a list of items here. Could be kind of a hodgepodge. If you have enough of any of these items, like you have a ton of certifications, that could be a section in itself. You're a member of a ton of professional organizations, you can make that a section all by itself. If you just have one or a couple of those, one of these, one of the other areas, you can put it in just that extras section, okay? Keeping that same format, you're just adding on to your already existing resume when you eventually do submit that for a grade, okay? Just the sections for skills and extra sections in the discussions. You then have another career development plan workplace document. It's the same exact format as you've seen, just a different set of skills being assessed. Take the assessment first, and the formula is the same as I mentioned several weeks here now. Again, at least 1 page in length. Include your results, please, to help us understand how you're going to leverage those results. I would break this down in 3 different paragraphs. Make sure you erase the questions. So if you're going to post the questions into a Google Doc, make sure you've answered each section correctly and completely. Make sure you erase the questions in your final draft, okay? That is important. Otherwise, it looks like kind of a rough draft, okay? So there's nothing too different or fancy here. Just take the assessment, do your reflection, which you should at this point kind of learn the ins and outs of that, just a different set of skills, and you have your skills and extra section, or I'm sorry, extra section for your resume. Any questions, as always, please let me know. Good luck.